Hi, I'm Janie King at this beautiful brook in Unity, New Hampshire, loving the water, loving the water. This beautiful brook goes downstream. I'm grateful for this water, I'm grateful for you, I'm grateful for the earth. I know that we all can come into balance into our hearts, and that is happening. I know this because it's happened to me, and I always thought it was impossible. If I can do this, you can do this. What is it that I'm doing? I'm learning what I love to do. I'm learning what my heart yearns for. I'm letting my heart lead my life. And I'm finding what I yearn for. And it's amazing. So I'm Janie King here on my water blessing walk in Unity, New Hampshire, at this beautiful winter brook and this beautiful stone formation. Wishing you happy holidays and hoping and praying and knowing that the day is going to come. The day is on its way. It may even already be here for you, where you do love yourself and you do feel the miracle of life, and you yearn to continue to bring that into your life more and more, as I have learned to do. Be well, happy holidays, love your water, and love yourself.